How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get big wrists for beginners in 2 minutes. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support, helps my channel grow. So first exercise is going to be wrist curls like this. We want to do high repetitions, you guys. $50, keep going. $75 reps, quick little break. Okay, we're then going to do wrist circles like this. So we're going to make circles with our wrists. So that's 30 reps. We're then going to come back here and we're going to do wrist curls again. Again, this is the best exercise. I love this exercise. Perfect. End of video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.